The Big Three at the Paris Peace Conference. David Lloyd George, Great Britain. David Lloyd George was a Liberal politician who was Prime Minister of Great Britain during World War I. Immediately after the war, he had to have an election which he won very convincingly. And he won it convincingly by using slogans such as "Hang the Kaiser" and "Make Germany pay." Now, although he used this to go along with the press and the people to win the election, he didn't fully agree with what he was saying there. He knew that Germany had to be punished, but he really worried that if the settlement was too harsh on Germany, then they just never would accept it, and war might come along 6 months, 6 years, 60 years later in revenge for what they are forced to agree to. He also thought about British self-interest, and Britain was always focusing on its navy and its trade. And we used to trade with Germany quite a bit. And if we can't trade with the German economy, if the German economy and Germany in general is broken, Britain will lose out. So when Lloyd George goes to the Paris Peace Conference with Clemenceau and Wilson, he's the compromise position. Yes, he wants punishment because the British people want punishment and they voted him in the election to get punishment. But he also thinks about British self-interest, whether it's the navy, whether it's trade. So he doesn't want Germany crippled like Clemenceau does. He wants them punished but viable.